गाड़ी की रफ्तार सुस्त हो गई थी।
The car was slowed to an idle. The car was slowed to an idle.
वो नशे में यूं चल रहा था।
He walked as though drunk. He walked as though drunk.
वो इसे देखकर हैरान रह गए।
They were surprised to see her. They were surprised to see her.
माल की तरफ बढ़ें।
Head toward the mall. Head toward the mall.
मैं टाइमर से ज्यादा तेज दौड़ सकता हूँ।
I can run faster than the timer. I can run faster than the timer.
वो बखूबी वाकिफ थी कि इस पर नजर रखी जा रही है।
She was keenly aware of being watched. She was keenly aware of being watched.
वो पर एतमाद अंदाज में आगे बढ़ा।
He confidently walked over. He confidently walked over.
मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपकी राय होगी।
I hope you have an opinion. I hope you have an opinion.
मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप समझ गए होंगे कि आप क्या कह रहे हैं।
I hope you understand what you are saying. I hope you understand what you are saying.
वो सोच रहा था कि ये कैसे हवा।
He was wondering how it happened. He was wondering how it happened.
आपने रिकॉर्ड को 2 सेकंड से मात दी।
You beat the record by 2 seconds. You beat the record by 2 seconds.